Yo, what's up guys? Good morning guys. For today's video guys, nata diri sa Old Airport sa Tagbilaran City, Bohol. Nagbike-bike ta na. Pasingot time check alas 6 pero gafag gyapon na ri. Nadayong nag-jogging. So tara guys, walking na ta guys, paway na ta guys, pa-relax. After ano itong walking, muli na ta. So don't forget to follow, like and share to all my videos guys. Mga natang gilakawa no, layo. Nagbike ko tata. 2 sets.